Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. In this channel I do cleaning motivation videos, a lot of them, grocery hauls, lifestyle videos. Sometimes I don't know when I'm gonna post a lifestyle video, but it will come, trust me. So if you just joined me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, like and share the video. So today I am going to share with you a cleaning motivation video. I'll be cleaning my kitchen. There's not much that I'll be doing. I'm gonna do the dishes, I'm gonna do the surfaces and the floor, then that will be it. From there I'll be done, then I'm going to share it with you. If you like this kind of videos, you know the drill, give it a thumbs up. I love you so much, and let's get down to the video. So this is what it's looking like right now. Like I said, I only have a lot of dishes that we have made during the day. These are lunch dishes, and I will do the surfaces. They are so dusty, so and put away everything that doesn't belong to where they are. I will be mopping the floor, and that will be it. So guys, let's get the ball rolling.
I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight I can't kill this feeling sober, so I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. I don't want to die inside my reality. Wait for me. I don't want your mind to remember me this way. All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment.
So now I'm going to sweep my floor, and I'm going to use this kind of broom. I don't want to use the broom that is the stick broom. I need to use this one because I want to sweep fast because I'm tired. I woke up early in the morning, did some laundry, did some DIY project. Now I'm here, I'm tired, so let's get sweeping with the grass broom.
Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for? Were all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. And I don't even know half the things you said. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, or 10 more minutes with you.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down.
So now I am done doing what I was doing. I said I'm gonna do the dishes. The dishes are done. I haven't poured out the water. I'll pour out the water. I need to wash something. The stove is clean. There's dust from the cupboard. I dusted it off, and the surface, the floor also is clean. Don't mind my son, he is always after my back. So if you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.